Hi, I'm Steve Alhaj, founder and CEO of Massdrop. Massdrop is an online community for enthusiasts. We work with makers like Ferrum Forge to create products based on discussion posts, polls, and feedback from our community. We're collaborating with Ferrum Forge Knife Works and the manufacturers at We Knives to create the Massdrop x Ferrum Forge Falcon, a custom quality knife at a fraction of the price.
Hi everyone, I'm Elliot Williamson.
And I'm Chris Williamson.
And this is Ferrum Forge Knife Works. Now my brother Chris and I have been interested in knives since we were very young. Our grandfather actually gave us knives when we were like 4 years old. But as I grew, so did my interest in knives. And by 2012, I was making folding knives in my garage by hand. I did a lot of research and tried to up my game. And by 2013, we had moved into this space. We purchased a CNC mill. I taught myself CAD, CAM. We were starting to have parts cut from sheets of steel and titanium by water jet. And it laid the foundations of what we do here now. There's a level of build quality and material quality that we use that puts our knives at a price point that's out of reach for most people.
Some of our knives can be pretty expensive, up to $1,200 and even more depending on what we do. We've been searching for a way to make knives that can be at a more competitive price point with production knives. But in order to have that happen and maintain the quality and keep the manufacturing here in the US, we really couldn't find a way, so we had to expand our search.
I was really impressed with some of the high-end Chinese knife manufacturers that were starting to come online. And I started looking around and learning more about them, what their capabilities looked like. Because I needed to find a company that was going to be able to take my designs and have the same level of attention to detail and fit and finish that we do here. And I found that in We Knife Company.
And the final piece was Massdrop facilitating the logistics and coordination between us, We Knives, and the community. Working with Massdrop, we've been receiving feedback from their enthusiast members at all the various stages of the project, and we've ultimately really created a timeless product at an accessible price point.
The Massdrop Ferrum Forge Falcon, hopefully the first in a line of great knives. It's 2.9 inches of S35VN steel, full titanium frame lock, hardened steel lock insert, ceramic detent, cage thrust bearings, full titanium backspacer, milled 3D titanium pocket clip. It's a heck of a knife.
Massdrop has shipped thousands of community-inspired products, and we're excited to bring our collaborations to a new audience. The Massdrop x Ferrum Forge Falcon is only made possible thanks to We Knives' exceptional manufacturing precision, Ferrum Forge's dedication to quality craftsmanship, and the Massdrop community for bringing this project to life.